So these CNC filters, you have an inlet from your recycled water. The outlet is the bottom. We have a 2-inch inlet so you can get plenty of volume. When the bag is ready to change, you'll see a pressure differential of about a bar. So let's say we're providing 5.5 bar, then the outlet will be 4.5 bar, and it's time to change the bag. So we close the valve on the incoming line, open the pressure release valve to let out the pressure that's in the cylinder. Open the top. We take out the bag. We replace with another one. You can clean these once. So we supply normally enough to last you a year when the machine comes. Make sure that the bag is seated. It's easier when it's full of water. Make sure that goes back in the top. Close it up. Open the valve coming in and let the air out, so you'll see the gauge come up in pressure, and as soon as you start to see water come out the top, close the valve and you're operational. That takes less than 2 minutes.